Hey there, welcome to HashPlay. Myself Siddharth Hariprasad and this is Tech News 11.0. Today we're going to talk about Poco F1's new camera update, Apple's new battery case, and why you will soon not be able to share your Netflix password. So, let's get started. First of all, we have the Poco F1 getting an update that improves the camera by leaps and bounds. The Poco F1 got the new MIUI or MIUI 10.0 version 10.2.2.0. Wow. That allows the devices to capture your super slow-mo videos at 960 frames per second using the default camera in addition to the 120 frames per second and 240 frames per second mode. There is also a new night mode aimed at low light scenery which essentially merges 8 photos with varying exposure levels to produce one good quality image. Though we do have to test it out to see if it works as expected. It is worth noting though that this update does not enable the 4K 60 FPS video recording mode that was promised last year. I guess we will have to wait till February updates that is due to come pretty soon. Next up, we have Apple's new battery cases. These new cases are for the iPhone XS, XS Max and XR. These cases support wireless charging via Qi certified chargers, which means you can still wirelessly charge the devices with the case on. It uses a separate wireless charging coil in the case, and it also supports fast charging via lightning cable that can be connected to USB Type-C PD compatible chargers used for fast charging for iPhones using the Type-C to Lightning adapter, of course. Apple has not revealed the actual mAh values of the cases but claims it will give up to 21 hours of internet use on the XS, 20 hours on the XS Max and 22 hours on the XR, which is great increase from the 12, 13 and 15 hours of internet use respectively without the battery case. The cases are available on the Apple Store in black and white colors and features the familiar battery hump and will cost $129 for all models available. But it is worth noting that the cases will not work with models other than the XS, XS Max and XR. That is, it won't work with the iPhone X even though it has very similar dimensions. Next up, we have reports of an UK company, Synamedia, unveiling a new service at CES this year that uses machine learning to spot shared passwords. They analyze data like location, what time an account is used, and what is being watched to guess whether a password is being shared or not. Based on this, they send the service provider a probability score and the service provider can decide what to do with the account. Yes, not just Netflix but other service providers like Prime Video, Hulu, etc. can use this platform to find shared passwords. The service provider may delete such accounts or suggest upgrades. The new system, called Credentials Sharing Insight, is currently being trialed by a number of firms. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and as usual, links to all articles will be in the description. So if you dislike the video, you know where the button is, but if you liked it, do hit the thumbs up. And check out more videos here and in the descriptions. Do subscribe and share if you haven't already, and also don't forget to leave feedback and suggestions for future videos in the comment section, and turn on notifications while you're there by hitting the bell icon so that you don't miss the great content. Until next time, peace.